So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and use Walmart Pay. Now, doing this is actually very basic. You will need to go ahead and have the Walmart application on your phone. So go inside of your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and you want to go ahead and download the Walmart application. Now, after downloading it, you want to make your Walmart account and everything like that. So go through, find your Walmart account or create one. And after creating it, what you're going to be able to see is you're going to find the Walmart application inside of your phone. So it basically looks like this. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open it up. Now, once you go ahead and open it up, it's going to bring you into this type of page. But what you want to do is you want to look at the bottom of this page right here, and you want to click on Services. So right here at the bottom, there's a couple of different prompts. Click on Services, and then there's going to be this Walmart Pay option that comes up right here. What you want to do is you want to click on Walmart Pay, and it's going to allow you to basically set up Walmart Pay. So you're going to be able to go through and basically at checkout wherever you are, there's going to be a little QR code that will allow you to scan it to basically use a Walmart Pay. So it tells you right here at the bottom, complete your purchase by scanning the Walmart Pay QR code at any checkout lane, and then you can go ahead and use your payment through the app to basically pay for it. So download the app, go to that portion, click on Walmart Pay, come into this page, scan it, and then you're basically good to go. So that's essentially how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.